Good afternoon, viewers. It's late afternoon here in Dubai, and I'm going to take my first walk on Dubai Marina. I haven't been down there yet. It's the first time I'm going to see it. I'm going to take a walk up the harbour and look at some of the boats and the yachts. I'm going to have a drink, a nice cold beer, in a rooftop bar, I hope, somewhere really high up, with good views, in Pier 7 just by the marina. This is where I'm staying, my hotel. It's actually just above a Filipino restaurant. Actually, let's just see how much things cost down here. It can't be cheap anyway, can it? On the Marina Harbour. It's got to be one of the more expensive places to eat. Let's head up, going for a walk. Going to Pier 7 and Dubai Mall. Some beautiful yachts here. The sun is going down, but it's still really hot. Around sunset, a lot of these boats will go out. Some of them are private, a lot of them are for cruises or for rent. Still only about halfway there. Walking in this heat is torture. I need one of these little scooters that everybody's going around on. Could do with one of these yachts as well. And this place is Pier 7. I've been told Pier 7 is the place where you can get a cold beer in the Marina area. It has 7 floors of restaurants and bars apparently. So that's where I'll be going. Here's the Marina Mall. Look at these boats. Right outside the mall. That's Marina Mall. Very nice. Sun's just going down over those buildings at JBR. And this is where I'm heading. Pier 7. I'm gonna go as high as I can get. What I'm looking for is a cold beer and a beautiful high view. So I'm going to the 7th floor. Beer's quite expensive in all of Dubai. And here I'm not quite sure. I don't think it'll be too cheap. But I think it's happy hour. Here we are, 7th floor. What a view. Look at the view of the marina. And served with a cold beer. Now that's what I call a happy ending.